Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you to one of my absolute favorite Disney resorts, the Boardwalk, at Christmas time. Let's do it. So, as I've said in some of my other videos, I made the huge plunge this year and I became a DVC member. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to do it. And I'm like, I'm here a lot. I love hotels more than anything. And I love Disney hotels. So, one of the big ones is obviously the DVC here at the Boardwalk. So I am trying this out. It is December, it is Christmas time. I just want to experience all of the fun, the festivities, everything. But most of all, I have a 1-bedroom villa DVC with a view of the lake. I am so excited. Let's do it. All right, so this is the 1-bedroom DVC villa. Wow. So now this is very familiar to exactly the same type of room I had. Kitchen is so cute. Got a little soccer on right now. Very nice office pull out. Now, the only weird thing, beautifully decorated. Obviously everything's been refurbished. This is not a door. It's weird. I'm still looking for the handle. It's not a door, so this is just a window. I mean, gorgeous view, but not a door. Now, the last room I had that was very similar to this, I had 2 patios, so that one obviously superior to this one, but in every other way, I mean, this is just beautiful. Look at how it's just gorgeous. And then you've got the absolutely beautiful, huge sunken tub. Another sink here, his and hers, perfection. And then such a comfy room. This is so nice too. We did not have one of those in the last room. No full-length mirror, such a comfy bed. Love the artwork. The artwork here is really classic and so on point with the theme. So it's beautiful. And yes, thank goodness there is a handle. So now this is a small one, very small. And it's, you know, got the archway, which is, you know, cute and cozy, way smaller than the other ones. So it's just, again, this is all a crapshoot. You never know what you're gonna get. And I'm being super spoiled right now just because the room I had before was beyond unbelievable. Now, I can see the ball from here. It's hard to see. It's actually behind a tree, but you can see it. I am so happy to be here. This is lovely, absolutely gorgeous. And so this is a DVC 1-bedroom villa at the Boardwalk. how gorgeous. World Showcase, of course. And I'm headed to Spice Road Table for lunch. Can I join you?
I wish you would.
So I have never actually eaten here before. I think I've stopped here for a drink. Look at this view. I mean, are you kidding me right now? Boats going by. We're getting a gorgeous breeze. This is a really great place to stop, have some lunch, relax. You're totally shaded here under this beautiful little patio that they have. I think you can sit inside too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so they have seats inside.
The dining room inside is probably about a quarter of the size of this outdoor patio.
Oh, really? Oh, so it's tiny.
And
okay.
It's all open air as well.
Okay. So, and also you can do a fireworks package here. As you can see, you would have the most sick view ever of fireworks. Cheers! That was an absolutely lovely meal at the Morocco Pavilion at
Spice Road Cafe.
Spice Road Table. Spice Road Table. So basically it's all tapas style. There's about 10 things on the menu. Hands down, I would go back to try like all of them. I think we got the best of the best though. I loved, there's like a little sampler platter with the lamb kafta, which you liked. I didn't. It was okay. The spiced chicken. I think the fried cauliflower was amazing. Did you like that?
I did. It was a little sweet for me.
A little sweet.
I like the kafta better.
Yes. And I'd say I like the spanakopita. Is that how you say it?
Spanakopita?
Spanakopita.
Spanakopita.
And then we got hummus too, of course. So, now we are in England. I don't know, there's something about this country, this land, where I feel like it is so romantic, it's so charming, but it's only because Alice is my absolute favorite in the whole world. That is my Disney character. So being here is just so beautiful. And at night, it's even more incredible. So, I just love it. So tonight, we lucky enough to get a fireworks package at the Rose and Crown, one of my favorite restaurants. The most incredible view. I've done this before on my channel. I was floored by how absolutely drop-dead gorgeous the view is for the fireworks and so perfect. And we got one tonight. My fiance has never done it, so I'm really excited to show it to him. Greetings from the Rose and Crown, my absolute favorite place on earth to watch Harmonious. One of my absolute favorite shows at Epcot, the fireworks show. It's so spectacular. Oh my goodness, our food is here. Thank you. Yes.
And the coronation salad.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So this is such a great deal. Now again, this is kind of a hard one to get. I find it impossible to get on the app. The only time I've ever gotten it is because I come here in person and beg them and get lucky with a table the day of if you come early enough. So that's my pro tip with that one. But basically you get, I think it's like $80 a person or something, but you get Everyone gets an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert, but like it's unlimited drinks, and the drinks are great. Lots of beer blends and Guinness and wine, and it's really, I think it's a great deal, but this view is crazy, so you cannot beat it. And it's so relaxed and comfortable, and you don't have to stress about how you're going to get a nice seat for the fireworks and all that. So I, as you know from my other videos, highly recommend the Rose and Crown from Harmonious at Epcot. It is very high on my list of must-dos when you come here. This resort. Come in through the lobby, you've got all the trees, and then front and center you come straight out onto the patio. Look at this gorgeous, huge tree. That is so adorable. I can't wait to see it lit up at night. Look at how gorgeous this looks at night. Oh my god. Well, yes, it's technically night. It's only about 5 o'clock, but unfortunately, we are finding ourselves with a very rainy, nasty Disney day today. And these things do happen. And the real kicker is how do you enjoy yourself? Well, there are a billion things to do. But honestly, I mean, look at this resort. Like, our villa is gorgeous. Our view is incredible. Just being home and relax. Home, I literally just called it home, as I should, because I love it so much. So literally just being here and relaxing. We watched Christmas movies all day. We chilled out. It really did rain and pour, so we were just like, forget it, we're not doing it. So we stayed back, and now we're going to the Flying Fish to have a beautiful dinner. But look at this. Does it get any more Christmassy? Flying Fish. So this place was totally redone about 6 years ago. So if you haven't been here in a while, it has changed dramatically. And the coolest thing is that it was always serving this very elevated cuisine, very high end. And about 6 years ago, they're like, the theme doesn't really match the cuisine. Let's change the theme and create this gorgeous high end restaurant. The chef is spectacular. They've got an incredible wine list, incredible bar. And again, this is one of those places that, you know, when you're in the app, as they tell you to be, like, it may be very hard to get a reservation. But when you walk in, if you come a little early, you can sit right at the bar. Look, plenty of space, full menu here at the bar, and it is absolutely beautiful. And you get great service, and of course the bartenders are incredible, and they've got a wealth of history about the restaurant. The restaurant was actually named after a roller coaster in Atlantic City, and one of the cars on the roller coaster was called the Flying Fish, and they actually have a piece of the roller coaster at the entranceway. I mean, how cool is that? And it perfectly goes with the theme of the Boardwalk. So beyond the theming, beyond all that good stuff, the food here is incredible. So I had a wonderful time, as always, at the Boardwalk Resort. This place is so glorious. In every way, it has everything that I dream of when I want to go to a Disney resort. It is super close to Epcot. It is so festive. There are tons of places to eat, hang out, and relax, and there's entertainment on the boardwalk. It's just alive at night. And it is absolutely gorgeous at Christmas time. That's my ride. So I am off
on an epic adventure now. I am so excited. You guys stay tuned, subscribe, the whole thing, because I am doing something I have never done before. That is coming up soon, and most of all, I just want to say happy holidays to everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.